Hello guys, for today, I will teach you how to see all answers in Google Form. But before that, I will let you know that this will not work at all forms. But somehow, it is working in other forms. So in Google Form, the first thing that we do is fill up the form. Your first name, last name, middle name, and also the date. It is important to fill out first the form before answering. So, sharing a little bit info of myself, math is my favorite subject since elementary. So, upon creating Google Form earlier, I chose the topic mathematics. So, for the first question here, find the inverse for fx equals 6x plus 15. Verify your inverse by computing one or both of the composition discussed in this section. So here, click the right click on your mouse. Then in the bottom, you can see the view page source. So as you can see, it is very messy. You can't imagine how you can find answer here, right? So you keep scrolling until the very last part. It doesn't matter how long it is as long as you can scroll anymore. So now, we will copy the last part of the code. Right click, then copy. Then you're gonna scroll all the way up for the first number. So as you can see, all of this is number 1 only. So take note, we will not copy it, only the first line up there. We will copy only the first line. Right click, then copy. Now we should X the last tab. Then we will add a new one. And then you can either paste or Control V. So now as you can see, it gives the right answer. Y is equals to 6x plus 15. So let's go back and check the Google form. So the first option here is y is equals to 6x plus 15, which is fit to the given answer. And now we should click the right answer, click submit, and now we are all done. And that ends my video. Hope it helps you today, and thank you for watching.